Hi everyone and welcome. I just thought I would kind of pop up live and talk to you guys today. Type in hashtag replay if you're watching the replay of this video, and type in hashtag live if you're watching this video live. So hi Anna Marie, good to see you live. Hi Pankaj. So, one of the questions that I asked in my Facebook group, Create Your Greatest Life, was who would you like to be today? What would you like to do today? And what would you like to have today? And it was really interesting yesterday when I actually sat down to contemplate this. So, who would I like to be? Or what would I like to be? So what like in that moment, what is that thing that pops up for you? Who or what would you like to be? Whatever it is, just share it in the comments below. So, like yesterday, when I asked this question, what popped up was freedom. Today, when I asked this question in the morning, and it's evening here now, what popped up was happy. Okay, so let me ask you, who would you like to, if you could be anything, who would you be? Let me know your answers in the comments. Like, don't think too much. Like, whatever is the first thing that pops up for you, write it. If you could be anything, who would you be? Come on, type. Come on, come on, come on, come on. I'm waiting. Happy, nice. What else? Me, okay. Come on. Who else? Who else can type? For me, it was like silly. The word that popped up was silly. So, like, making funny faces and things like that. Okay. If you could do anything, what would you do? If you could do anything, what would you do? And for me, right now, what's really showing up is I would go to visit my parents. I would go and visit my son. So play and swim, okay? So if you could do anything, what would you do? And then the last one is do magical stuff. Okay, nice. First thought is the real being. Who would you be is real being. Okay, good. And what would you do? Do is creating. Okay, great. And then the last one is if you could have anything, what would you have? If you could have anything, what would you have? And for me, yesterday and today, both the days, what came up was I would have my son home. So my son is in the UK, so I would have him home. That's what came up for me. And so it's really interesting to see how these three questions change as you ask them at different points. So because and what I realized was that it was really really very true for me when I answered those three questions yesterday. And I thought it would be like an interesting exercise to do this every day for at least maybe a few days, maybe like 7 days or so. I'm going to just play with it for 7 days and see what starts to show up. And many times what I have found is when you start contemplating these kind of questions, you start to see some aspects of you that you've never been able to see before, or you start to have awarenesses about what's really important for you. So like yesterday and even today when I had this question, it was more like, go for a walk in the forest, or go for a walk on the seashore. And so for me, what I started to realize, and I've been doing these kind of questions for many years, what I started to realize with these questions is how important nature is for me. And answering these three questions, what also started to come up for me is that most of the times the things that show up for us in be, do, have, these are really very, very simple things that we can choose right now. It doesn't have to be like a multi-million-dollar world cruise or anything like that. It's like literally very, very simple things that it's possible to choose right away. And sometimes, yes, there are some things which you might have to wait for. Like, for example, for me, the have was yesterday, and both today is like have my son home. So I might have to wait maybe a few weeks for that, but that's okay. But it's still a very, very simple thing. It's nothing like majorly complicated. And we just make life so complicated for ourselves. And so what I also wanted to invite you guys is to come play with me in my new group healing program. This is called 21 Days of Energetic Releases. And basically I do group healing every single day for all the people who join that program. And one of the things that people have been experiencing as I've been doing the healing, so the program officially starts on 4th of June. But the good news is that you can join now, and if you join now, I will include you in the healing. So the people who have joined, what they are experiencing is that they are starting to have more awareness about things. They are starting to get clarity about things. Some of the people who just joined like a couple of days back, she started organizing things. And she also created receiving a big payment. So really interesting things are happening there, clarity. So literally people have been able to change things in their body, in their relationships, having more clarity, and all kinds of weird and wonderful things. So if that is something that you want to be a part of, come join me. It only costs $33 for 21 days. I also have like a really special offer for a family of 4 people. You can join for $100 and just experience all that transformation which comes from those, the healing for 21 days. So thanks everyone. And also, play with this be, do, have. Play with this for 7 days in a row, and you will really start discovering something about yourself. And if you would like to join my 21 days of group energetic releases, the link is in the description. Thanks for watching. Bye.